Are you ready to draw an adorable stitch in a pumpkin?
I am. Let's get started.
All right, today we're going to be drawing a Halloween stitch. So we're going to start with a pumpkin and we're going to have Stitch hiding in the pumpkin. All right, so we have our paper nice and tall, and I'm going to find the middle of my page, and that's going to be right where I'm going to start, and I'm going to draw a nice tall oval. Coming over here, I'm going to start a little bit down from the top of my oval. And I'm going to draw another almost complete oval. So it's going to come up and follow around and meet back up. Same thing on this side. Around, meet back up. We're going to do that same thing one more time. I'm going to actually take this one a little wider. So again, I start down just a little bit. Come out and in. Same thing over here. Come out and in. Now starting from here, going all the way over to this side, I'm going to draw a half circle. From there, I'm going to come up from this side a little ways up, and I'm going to draw a curved line coming in. Same thing on the other side. Start about the same height and draw a curved line coming in. Now that same curved line, I'm going to curve around and draw a little curve going the other way. Same thing over here. I'm going to round it so it curves around and out, and they're about the same height right there. From here, I'm going to draw a curved line coming down. Same thing over here, curved line coming down. A short diagonal is going to come in on each side. They're not the same. They're a little different, and that's okay. Next, I'm going to draw a line coming almost straight out, just exactly to where I left off. And then from there, I'm going to curve down and in. Same thing over here, down and in. Right where my half circle and my pumpkin meet up. All right, now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to curve and follow along to meet up. So this line's a lot like that one. It kind of follows it in and back around. Same thing on this side. I'm going to follow it in, follow it around, and back. From here, I'm going to curve in. Again, it's kind of a follow along line. It does the same as this line. On both sides. Now right in the middle here, the middle oval right here on each side, I'm going to draw a little diagonal coming up and a little diagonal coming up. I'm going to curve it around for his nose. From there, I'm going to start below his nose, and I'm going to do a nice tall curve line. On each side. This curve's going to continue out and curve back down before it connects. Same thing over here, curve around and back down before it connects. And over here, it's going to do a curve over, and I have to jump over this part of the pumpkin and bring it back up. Curve over, jump over, and bring it back up. Inside here, I'm going to draw a nice big circle. So it's not quite touching on any side, but it's a good size circle. Same thing over here. Big circle. I'm going to draw a pretty good size circle inside of it here and inside of it here. All right, now up on top of his head, I'm going to go ahead and make a hat that is part of the pumpkin, so the top of the pumpkin. So I'm going to draw a curved line coming up. And over here, it's going to come a little more sideways, not up, but more sideways. And from over here, I'm going to curve in. Same thing from this side. Curve in. And then from over here, I'm going to draw a curved up line. Curved up line. Another one coming in. There we go for the top of the pumpkin. And then I need a stem, so I'm doing a curved line up and over. I'm going to do a diagonal line over that way. And a curved line coming back down. I'm going to add 2 hash marks into my stem. And that's it. There we go. We have our top of our pumpkin. Now the fun part begins. We get to color.
See my final drawing. How cute is that? This is such a fun drawing. I'm sure yours turned out absolutely amazing. I hope you had fun. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and please come back and join me for another How to Draw. Bye.